Okay, today we start with the next topic, that is lossy compression. So, in case of lossy compression, as we all know, in lossy compression, right, जो हमारा f of xy है, right, that is my input image, right, is not equals to g of xy. Why? Because in lossy compression, some amount of information will be lost. That means the g of xy is always less than f of xy. This is my this is a rule for the lossy compression. In case of lossy compression, right, some amount of data क्या होगा, लॉस होने वाला है. Therefore f of xy, right, is always greater than g of xy. Okay, now to perform this lossy compression, right, we have a first method called as improve grayscale quantization, IGS. This is my first method, right, of lossy compression. We already saw the lossless compression. In that we have a different types of methods or algorithms. In the same way, lossy compression also has a different methods, algorithms. So the first method is your improved grayscale quantization, IGS. तो what happened in this case, IGS में अब ये देखना है. हाँ, one more thing, हाँ, in lossy compression we remove the redundant data as well as irrelevant data. दोनों डेटा क्या होगा बोलो, यहाँ पे रिमूव होगा. देखिए, तो नाउ in this case improve grayscale quantization, IGS, right, we have study in chapter of introduction that brightness of a region as perceived by the eye does not depend on the absolute gray level values. That means यहाँ पे क्या है कि जो brightness है, it does not depend on the absolute gray level values. This is because the human eye does not respond with equal sensitivity to all the visual information. This example, we have a image, right, हमारे पास एक इमेज है, तो ह्यूमन विजुअल सिस्टम डज नॉट परसीव द इक्वल concentration on that image. In some part of the image, right, will have a very important for the human visual system, and some part of the image is not so much important. So some information is visually more important than the other, as you can see here. Information which is not visually important, it is called as psycho-visual redundancy. Right? This is called as psycho-visual redundancy. यानी जो information important नहीं है, right, according to the human visual system, that information is called as psycho-visual redundancy. Psycho-visual redundancy exists in all the images and can be eliminated without hampering the subjective quality of the image. All of the images have a psycho-visual redundancy, right? So we have to remove this, right, without hampering the subjective quality of the image. To remove the psycho-visual redundancy, the first method, right, is given as IGS, improve grayscale quantization. So this is a method of lossy compression which is used to remove the psycho-visual redundancy from the image. So now to do this, right, to remove the psycho-visual redundancy from the image, right, we have these steps involved in IGS are. Then first, right, we divide the entire gray levels, right, into 8 bits, right. We divide the entire gray level into 8 bits. Then the lower 4 bits of the preceding modified pixel are added to the present pixel. यानी जो लोअर 4 बिट्स है, राइट, LSB विल बी एडेड, राइट, इनटू द करंट या जो प्रेजेंट पिक्सल रहेगा उसके अंदर ऐड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ द न्यू 4 MSB मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट्स of the present pixel are taken as the IGS code. So we will add LSBs to the present pixel, and after adding the 4 bits, lower 4 bits, we get some number, right? We get some binary number. In that, the 4 MSB bits, most significant bits, will be taken as the IGS code. Now repeat the step 1 and 2 after moving 1 to a new pixel. That means go to the next pixel and again repeat the step number 2 and 3. Only one condition is there. Just see the condition. There is a one condition in the step 4, right? If MSB, that is your most significant bits, is all 1, if it is all 1, then we have to add 0, right? Because what happen in this case, if we are 1 1 1 1, now suppose we are adding some number to it, like 0 0 1 0. What happen in this case, 1 plus we have to add, na? 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 is carry 1. In this case, this 4 bit will be converted into 5 bits because of the carry. That's why, right, to avoid this 5 bit, because we only consider 4 bits code, so to avoid this 5th bit, we have to add all zeros. When MSB, that is the most significant bits, is all ones, then we have to add 4 0 instead of adding 4 LSB of the previous sum. So in that case, we do not add 4 LSBs, we add 4 zeros to the MSB when all the bits are 1. So these are the 4 steps of IGS, right? I hope you understood this. Now we will see the example of IGS, right? In this example, right, we have to construct the IGS code of the given gray level data set. So these are the data points. ये हमारे data points दिए हुए 100, 110, 124, 124, 130, 110, 200 and 210. So these are my data points. So now first of all, we will find out the 8-bit binary code of all this number. हम लोग क्या करेंगे पहले, we will find out the 8-bit binary code for all this number. Just see, this is my question. Okay, so now we will find out the 8-bit binary code, right? So for that, we will write this 100 first. First we will find the binary 8-bit binary code of this 100. So now to convert this 100 into binary, right, we use BCD code 8 4, just wait, start from here, 8 4 2 1 and then 16, then 32, then 64, 128. This is my 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is my 8-bit, right? This is my 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7. Okay, so now we write, we start the finding out the binary code of this 100. तो नाउ 100 का जो बाइनरी कोड है विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 64, राइट. तो वी फर्स्ट टेक 64 1. तो नाउ वी सबट्रैक्ट दिस 64 फ्रॉम 100. तो 10 6 9 3 36. So now 36 will come like here 1. So we subtract 32. Then I am converting this 100 into binary. So this is my 6 4 and 0 4. This is my 4. So just write 1 with 4 के नीचे 1 लिख दो and 0 0 remaining जो रहेगी वो सब 0 हो जाएगी. So now the 8-bit code for the 100 is your 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. So you can see that 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. So this is your binary 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. This is a code, right? This is my code of 100 binary. In the same way we will find out the binary code of 110, right? We can see this 110, that means 110 means 110, right? So now we will find out the binary code of 100 का बाइनरी 110 का हम लोग बाइनरी कोड निकालेंगे 110. तो now 110 again start with the 64, then subtract, then 10 4 6 and then 10 6 46. Now 46 again 32 आ जाएगा, then 46 minus 32, then this 6 2 4 and 14. then 14 कहाँ आएगा, देखो 8 पे आ जाएगा 1. तो माइनस 8 करेंगे तो 6 कहाँ आएगा, अभी 4 आ जाएगा. then रिमेनिंग क्या बच जाएगा 2 and 2 के नीचे 1 आ जाएगा. एंड अदर्स जो है जितने भी स्पेसेस है दे विल बिकम 0. तो नाउ द बाइनरी कोड फॉर द 110 इज ये रहेगा 0 1 1 0 एंड 1 1 1 0. एज वी कैन सी हियर 0 1 1 1 0 then 1 1 1 0, right? This is my binary code 1 1 1 0, right? So in this way, right, we can convert this entire inputs, right? This all inputs will be converted into binary form. I hope you understood binary. Now we convert the entire input gray levels, right, into its binary correspondence. So this is the binary code for 100, right? Then this is the binary code for 110, then 124, then 0111, 1000, right? These all are the binary representative or right of the input gray levels. जो input gray level है उनका ये binary code रहेगा. Okay? So this is my final table. अब now we divide the input into two parts, right? LSB and MSB, right? We divide the input into two parts. जैसे example, first मेरा जो है वो है 0 1 1 0 and 0 1 0 0. So now this is my 4 bits, right? MSB, and these are the 4-bit LSB. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट, राइट? तो अब जैसे एग्जांपल दिस इज माय फर्स्ट ग्रे लेवल ना, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट ग्रे लेवल. तो इन दैट केस वी ऐड, राइट, ऑल जीरोस. हम लोग क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे इसके पहले कुछ है ही नहीं ना. तो सपोज वी हैव 8-bit zeros, मतलब 8 zeros आर देयर. तो नाउ वी ऐड, एज यू कैन सी हियर, राइट, वी ऐड 100 में ये 0 0 ऐड करेंगे. तो नाउ वी गेट अगेन 0, ये वापस से क्या मिलेगा, ये वी अगेन गेट 0 1 0 0, राइट? वी गेट द सेम नंबर ना. ओके, नाउ Now next is my next number is your 0 1 1 0 and then 1 1 1 0. Now we add this 100. ये ऐड करेंगे हम लोग 100 यहाँ पे. तो प्लीज 0 मतलब 0 1 1 0. वी ऐड दिस. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे नाउ इन दिस केस व्हाट हैपन, वी आर एडिंग. तो ऐसा लिख लेते, देन 1 1 1 0 and then we are adding 0 1 0 0. Now we add. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 0, right? 1 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, not 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 0, again carry 1. एंड देन अगेन सेम, ये तो एज इट इज रहेगा. तो नाउ दिस पार्ट, ये पार्ट देखो मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट चेंज हो गए. ठीक है, 0 1 1 एज यू कैन सी हियर वी गेट दिस, राइट? 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. नाउ वी ऐड दिस 0 0 1 0 इन दिस. तो 1 1, try to write entire 8 bits, write 8 bits, 0 1 1 1 and then 1 1 0 0 and then add 0 0 1 0. तो इतना इशू नहीं आएगा, वो सेम ही आ जाएगा, राइट? बिकॉज देयर इज नो कैरी बिट. 0 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 1 and ये एज इट इज रहेगा 0 1 1 1. So now as you can see here 0 1 1 1 and then 1 1 1 0. Now अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग, again we add, right, this 1 1 0, this 1 1 1 0 in this number. 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. So we add 0 1 1 1 then 1 1 0 0. Now we add 1 1 1 0. 1 1 1 0. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0. Then 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1, in this case we have a 3 ones, right? तो 1 plus 1 क्या होगा, 0 हो जाएगा, right? तो carry 1 इधर लिख दिया मैंने, फिर इधर 0 हो गया, तो 0 plus 1 0. तो as you can see here ये 4 bit आ गया, 1 1 0 1 1. अब ना इसको लिखेंगे 1 plus 1 will become 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 will become 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 0, carry 1 and 1. तो ये आ जाएगा 1000. See. तो in this way we will again add this into this. Then इसको इससे ऐड करेंगे, इसको इससे ऐड करेंगे. If suppose यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, if we are getting as an example instead of this we have all ones. तो इन दैट केस डू नॉट ऐड दिस, ये नहीं ऐड करेंगे. वी हैव टू ऐड ऑल जीरोज. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सारे जीरोज ऐड कर देंगे, तो वापस से वो 1 1 1 1 1 ही मिल जाएगा. तो इन दिस वे, राइट, वी ऐड, वी विल ऐड, राइट, ये इसको ऐड हो जाएगा, राइट, वी गेट दिस. तो आफ्टर एडिंग ऑल दिस थिंग, राइट, दिस LSBs, नाउ हम लोग को जो सीक्वेंस मिला है वो क्या मिला है, 0 1 1 0. तो दिस आर दी MSBs, ये हमारे सारे MSBs है, राइट. तो दिस विल बिकम द IGS कोड. ये सारे हमारे IGS कोड बन जाएंगे. आर यू गेटिंग? ये जितने भी है ना, दिस पार्ट, दिस वन जो हम लोग को ऐड होने के बाद मिलेंगे, ये वाला पार्ट. तो दिस इज द IGS कोड फॉर द गिवन इनपुट. तो देखो यहाँ पे IGS कोड में एज यू कैन सी हियर पहला वैसे आया 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 1, 0 1 1 1, 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1, 1 1 0 0 and 1 1 0. So this is the IGS code for the given input gray levels. I hope you understood, students.